Hi guys, and welcome to episode 11 of my makeup decluttering series. Today it's going to be all about eyeliners, which is ridiculous because I don't even wear eyeliner that often. And just look at how many I have. Like, there is absolutely no reason for me to have this many. So if you want to see what I'll be keeping and what I'll be getting rid of, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is absolutely hilarious to me because I don't wear eyeliner that often. This is just crazy. But in my defense, most of these eyeliners have been sent to me, or they've been in like some type of beauty box or as a free sample, or just like, I have not purchased the vast majority of these eyeliners. So yeah, I think that works in my defense, but I have divided them in categories. So here we have liquid eyeliners that are black. Here are liquid eyeliners that are like other colors. Here are pencil eyeliners that are black or brown. And then here we have pencil eyeliners that are like other colors. And then here I have jaw liners. So let me start right here because this is going to be super quick. I have tried this one from BH Cosmetics and I have tried this one from Mica Beauty, and I don't love either one of them. This one is pretty decent. I have to say the Mica Beauty one, it's pretty decent. It's just not my favorite. But this one from BH Cosmetics is very, very wet. So it kind of like smudges a lot once you apply it. It just like never dries down completely. So I'll be getting rid of both of these because I just, like I said, I just don't really enjoy them that much. And then this one from Maybelline Eye Studio. I love this gel liner, but it's so old right now and it has dried down. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like separated from the glass. That's how old it is. So I'm getting rid of the 3 of these, but I did just get a new eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar in my BoxyCharm. So I know that even though I'm getting rid of the 3 of these, I have that one as like my only gel liner as of right now. But these 3, I'm just not keeping. This is going to the garbage, and these are going to the donation side. Also, excuse my nails. I painted them in this beautiful color, but right now they're like chipped, and I just haven't gotten around to fixing them. This chipped pretty quickly, I have to say. It's the only thing I don't like about this nail polish. But anyway, let's continue. Then let's start on this side with the pencil liners that are just like random colors. So this one from NYX is their so famous jumbo eye pencil in the color Milk. I love this. I use it when I want to create like a cut crease, or whenever I just want to like intensify the lid color. I always use this and I do enjoy it very much. So I am keeping this. Then I have these 3 from Wet n Wild. These are really, really good. I have one in blue, one in white, and one in like a peachy nude. And I do enjoy all of these, especially this blue one. It's like very intense and fun. This is the only pencil in blue that I have. So you know what? I think I'm keeping this one. I am also keeping these 2. I mean, I just like really, really enjoy these liners. And whenever I need to use like pencil liners, I think I always like end up using these. The point is that I am keeping these 3, and these are like $1 or something like that. So if you want good liners that are super affordable, then definitely look out for these. Then I have this other nude liner here, and this one is from Jouer. And as fancy and expensive as this brand is, and as much as I like it, I never like this liner. Now, let me explain. Nude liners are supposed to be for you to put like on your waterline when you want to make your eyes appear bigger. So I personally, with my tiny eyes, I enjoy those liners a lot. But this one is so dry. Look at that. Look. Like, it just takes forever for like actual pigment to show up. So like, you definitely don't want to be this aggressive on your eyes, especially your waterline. So because of that, I have never even used it. And like, look how dry it is. I think that once it's like on your waterline, it should be pretty amazing because it's not gonna go anywhere. But the application process of this is just gonna be so aggressive and rough that I just don't want to deal with that, especially with my eyes being so sensitive all the time and like watering all the time. So yeah, I just like never look, like I have swatched it so many times like trying to give it some attention, but it just has never worked out for me, so I am getting rid of this one, sadly. Then I have here this beautiful liner from Marc Jacobs, and this is a very pretty pink, as you can see. I haven't used this that often, but I do like it. These liners from Marc Jacobs are amazing, and I might as well talk about this one because it's the exact same thing, except it's in the color brown. I am keeping this one as well, so yeah, I'm just gonna move it right now to the keep pile. Next, we have this silver one here from Pacifica. I haven't actually used this liner. It's pretty new, so I don't think I want to keep it. First of all, because it is new, so I'd rather like not swatch it or anything and just be able to give it to someone while it's still brand new. And second, because if I wanted like a silver line, I can always just apply like a silver shadow, you know what I mean? Like that just makes sense to me, so I don't really need to keep this, and because of that I'm just gonna give it away. I can't tell you like how it performs or anything because I've never used it, but I'll just give it away. Then I have here these 3 liners, and I'm going to talk about all of them at the same time because all 3 of them are purple. And this one is from Julep. This is the gel eye glider. Then I have this one from Pop Beauty in the shade Inky Purple, and then this one from Starlux is in the shade Amethyst, and this is a different purple because it's like super bright and like diamond looking. It's so beautiful. And let's see, these I have used all of these, so I don't mind like swatching them on camera. This one is more, is this even purple? It is purple, but it's like very, very dark. And then this one from Pop Beauty, it's like the in between those two. It's still pretty dark, but definitely not as dark as this one. Okay, so right away I can just say that the Julep one I can get rid of just because it's such a dark purple that I might as well just use a black one, you know what I mean? And I do have a lot of black ones, especially here, as you can see, so I'm just getting rid of this one. I know that somebody else will just enjoy it more than me. This one from Starlux I am keeping because it's such a unique color. Like, look at that, it's so bright, it almost looks like a shadow. It's so shimmery, it's so beautiful, so I do want to keep this one. And then this one from Pop Beauty, I don't know if I want to keep it. I know that this is a really, really good pencil, but I really don't know if I want to keep it because, like I said, like I just don't really use pencils that much. And if I ever wanted to have like a purple on my waterline or even as liner, I would just use like eyeshadow if it was really, really, really necessary. So I just don't need to keep this, and I'll be getting rid of it. And then I have these 2 here. These are like bronzy type of colors. This one is from Mali, and this one is from Frankie Rose. I don't know that I've ever used this one from Mali, and if I haven't, I feel like I shouldn't touch it. That way I can just give it away. And then this one I know that I have swatched it, and it's really pretty. So since these 2 were pretty similar, I think I'll just keep this one from Frankie Rose and give away the Mali one, even though the Mali one looks kind of like shimmery and beautiful. But yeah, I just don't need it. Did I just mess that up? I don't think so. All right, yeah, so the Mali one I'll just be giving away. You know what, I just decided that I'm going to be giving this one away too, just because it doesn't really have shimmer or anything, so it just looks kind of brown to me. So I have other brown ones that I really like, so I'm getting rid of this one too. All right, so moving on to the black brown category. You belong in here. So moving on to the black brown category, then I have this one from Urban Decay. This is the most amazing black pencil liner ever created, so for sure I'm keeping this one. I have had other like mini ones, and I have given those away just because I know that I have this one and it's a full size, so definitely keeping this one. Then I have this one here from Marc Jacobs. This is a black one. I think it's the same as those other 2 full-size ones that I have, except this one is black, so this is a really, really good too. It's very like gel type of feeling. It's so nice, it glides on so smoothly, so I do want to keep this one as well. Then I have here my favorite brown pencil ever. This one is from Stila, and it's in the shade, what is this? I can't even see anywhere. Damsel. I was obsessed with this for a while, and I still love it. I actually stopped using it because I think mine is broken. This is like a mechanical type of pencil, and it won't like come out, or it'll come out, but like it won't go past too much, and like if you push it, it just goes back in. It's like, I don't know, it's making me look bad right now. Okay, there we go, it doesn't go down. See, but then if I push it, it goes, you know what I mean? So it's like a little broken, and because of that, I don't use it that much anymore. But I do love this, so I am keeping it. Next, I have this one here from Bobbi Brown, and I actually haven't used this. I'm pretty sure it's like brand new, and I think I got it like as a free sample from Sephora or something like that. Again, since it's new, I just rather not use it, just because I do have another like good black one. I actually kept 2 good black ones, so I don't feel the need to keep this, and I just know that somebody else could be using it when it's just here collecting dust in my drawer. So I'm giving this one away. And then this one from, what is this even, Lollipops Paris. I can't remember where I got this from, but again, I've never used this, and it's like a mechanical black pencil. And yeah, as you can see, it's brand new, and I just rather give it away so somebody else can enjoy it, because I do have 2 good black pencils, so giving this one away too. Okay, so moving on to the liquid eyeliners. This is going to be so interesting, because look at how many black liquid liners I own, and I will do a liquid line maybe like once every 2 months. So this is ridiculous. So here, the fun colors, we have this one from Pop Beauty. This is in the color Backstage Bronze. This is really pretty. I actually just used it in a video last week, even though you couldn't really see it that much. But this is really nice, and it actually stays in place like all day. It doesn't go away. So I do want to keep this one because it's a fun color. I don't have anything else like it, so I'm keeping this one. I'm also keeping this one from NYX Cosmetics. This is one of their Vivid Brights, and it's a really fun yellow, and I bought this specifically for my it was for a video. I remember that much. It was like one of those artistic videos that I've made, which I haven't done in a while, but I do want to do something like that soon. So I do want to keep this one. I don't have any other liner that is yellow, so definitely keeping this one. I also really like this one from Chella. It's a really pretty indigo blue. That's actually the name. It's indigo blue, and I do like this. It's a little uncomfortable to use because the tip is like, it's felt, but it almost feels like the inside is plastic or like rubber or something like that, because it's like super flexible. It's a little uncomfortable to use, but I do like it, so I'm keeping this. And then these 2 from, what is this, Nika K. These are 2 super pretty liners, and they're fun. I have used them in the past, but they don't stay on your eyes that long. They don't last that long, and because of that, I just rather give them away, even though these 2 colors are beautiful and they're super shimmery. But yeah, I just rather give them away because I know that they don't last that long, especially on my eyes, because my eyes will water with like literally anything. So giving these 2 away. Okay, and lastly, for my liquid liners, wow, this is going to be interesting. So the first thing I want to do is actually separate them between the ones that I know I love, like for sure, because that's going to be easier. So I know that I love my Kat Von D. Oh my gosh, this is getting everywhere. Oh goodness. All right, so I know that I love my Kat Von D tattoo liner, so I'm for sure keeping this. I also know that I do enjoy the M Cosmetics liquid liner, and they have 2. This one is the brush tip, so I am keeping this one as well. And I also know that I love my NYX matte liquid liner. This is super similar to the NYC liquid liner, which I also have, but this one is pretty old and it's also been discontinued. So I'm getting rid of this one because it's really old, and if it is discontinued, then I can't really like use it on camera because you guys wouldn't be able to go get it. But this one is super similar, and you can still get it anywhere, so I am keeping this one and throwing this one away. Okay, and then here I have this one also from Kat Von D. This is one of their like tattoo liners, but this one is the Sinner liner, which means it has a different brush tip, and it's not one that I enjoy too much, even though I've never used it, but I just really like how thin the other one is, and because of that, I'm just getting rid of this one. I know that it's an amazing liner, and yeah, I just don't like how fat the tip is. And then here we have okay, so this one from Ico. This one is pretty recent. I think I got it in a box somewhere, and I think, I don't know, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I've heard that the Ico liners are like amazing. And even though I've never used it, I do want to keep this one because I've heard great things about it. so I am keeping this one. And then lastly, we have here these four. This is from Starlux Pro, this one is from Rimmel, this one is from Mirabella, and then this one is from Milani. So let's talk about these two first. I bought these two personally, like myself, when I was looking for like options for a drugstore liquid liner. I unfortunately never really enjoyed these two that much. I think this one was just like bleeding everywhere, and then this one was a little hard to use. So because of that, I'm just gonna get rid of these two. I just didn't really enjoy them that much. And then these two are new and I have never used them, but I just don't need to keep that many. The tip on this doesn't look like something that I'll like love or anything. I mean, this may be like a miracle liner as far as I know, but I just rather not keep it. And then this one looks pretty good, but again, I don't need to keep them. So these are new and I just rather give them to somebody that needs them more than I do. Okay, so here is the result of my declutter. Here we have the ones that I am getting rid of or that I'm giving away, which is 17 liners. These are the ones that I'm throwing out. It is 3 of them, a pencil, a liquid, and a gel, which is kind of funny, isn't it? And then these are the ones that I'm keeping, which is 17, which means that I'm keeping 17 and getting rid of 20, and that makes more than 50% of my liners that I'm getting rid of. I am very, very proud of this result. I am very happy that I'm getting rid of so many because, like I mentioned, and I'm going to say it for the 5th time, I think, I just don't wear liners that often, so I don't need to have 37 liners. Nobody needs that many. So I'm very, very excited about this. I have to admit, I was a little scared of this declutter when I started because there's a lot of them that I've never used, and I thought that it would get a little complicated and that I would be kind of like more torn with getting rid of some of them, but I was totally fine and I'm very proud of this result. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it so much. It helps me and it helps my channel. And if you are subscribed or if you're just subscribing now, then make sure that you turn on notifications so that you never have to miss a video. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.